I'm at Paragon Plastic. I just got some high density polyethylene for my hatch door. Starting by making a template out of this plywood. Looks good. There's some gaps in the template along here, so I'm gonna take some cardstock along the edges so I can make my real piece a little bit bigger. Now I just screwed the doors back together, so it'd be easier to cut the real piece out of the plastic. So now I just remove the hinges, and then I can trace this onto my new piece of plastic. So I'm tracing on the cards now and the old parts that are good. I don't want to make it too much bigger than it needs to be though, because I don't want to have to remove too much material. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut it over on the boat because I don't want the plastic shavings to blow off into the water. I'm tracing out this thing as well. And I gotta round the bottom corners so they fit the corner there. I think the file works best for that. It's a rough file. The initial fit's pretty close. I'm not quite at the bottom, so I think I gotta remove some material here and here. Just use that plane. So I'm taping some folded up paper just when I screw the hinges, so there'll be a little gap at the bottom so it won't bind up, hopefully. Marking the holes. I got this little camera holder, so it should make filming with my phone a little easier now. This is the lock I'm going to use, so I'm just going to use my hole saw. finishing touch on these doors will be these little rubber stoppers. So I just gotta find the right screw in my collection. I think this will be the one. Alright. Nice. There's some gunk from the underneath the wood trim. And for the finishing touch, I remade this plastic piece over here. And I think it looks pretty good. If you're curious, this is the difference between white starboard and seafoam. The color difference, but this kind of matches the hull. And this matches the piece, so it's okay.